In this video, I will guide you how to fix this video is currently unavailable in your location on Amazon Prime. Go to Amazon's website and log in into your Amazon account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Account and List. Then Manage your content and devices. Navigate to Preferences tab. Click on Country or Region Settings. Then click on Change. Update your current country and region to match your location. Some content is region locked due to licensing agreements. If changing the region doesn't work, try using a VPN. Connect to a server in a supported country. Restart Amazon Prime Video and check if the video plays. Ensure your Amazon app is updated to the latest version. Go to Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. Search for Amazon Prime Video and tap Update if available. That's it. Now you know how to fix this video is unavailable in your location issue on Amazon Prime. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.